gaming laptops have revolutionized the way gamers experience their favorite titles by offering a portable yet powerful alternative to traditional desktop setups. They combine cutting-edge technology, including high-performance processors, advanced GPUs, and immersive displays, to deliver smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. Whether you're an esports enthusiast or a casual gamer, finding the best gaming laptop ensures that you enjoy seamless performance while staying within your budget. In this guide, we'll explore top-performing gaming laptops that excel in performance, durability, and value for money, making them ideal choices for gamers looking to level up their experience. When selecting a gaming laptop under I-50,000 in the Philippines, it's essential to balance performance, build quality, and value. Here are some top recommendations. Lenovo LOQ15, equipped with an Intel Core i5 12th Gen processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 6GB GDDR6 graphics, this laptop offers robust performance for modern games. It typically retails around $50,000 during sales. 2. HP Victor's gaming laptop. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 75W graphics, the HP Victus provides a solid gaming experience. It's available for approximately P47,000 to P49,000. 3. Acer Nitro. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, the Acer Nitro 5 delivers excellent gaming performance. It's priced around $5,000 for MSI GF63 Thin. This laptop comes with an Intel Core i5 11260H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics, offering a balance between performance and affordability. It's available for under P50,000. 5. TUF Gaming A16. Equipped with a 16-inch display and high refresh rate screen, the Asus TUF Gaming A16 is designed for immersive gaming experiences. It's priced competitively under P50,000. When choosing a gaming laptop, consider factors such as processor performance, graphics capabilities, RAM, storage, and build quality to ensure it meets your gaming and multitasking needs.